Namaskar. Welcome back to our class. In previous lessons, we have learned about Pheri and Baddha Pheri. In this class, we will learn about Mukt Pheri, Baddha Pheri and Pavaan Pheri using various jatis. So let's start. Mukt Pheri. As the body completes its spin, the arms open from central Utpatti position and straight to the side, palm facing out. So, starting from here, we can do this like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use various jati. I want to say 8 steps, 4 steps. In 8 steps, 4 steps, 3 steps, 5 steps. You have used various jati. You have learned various jati. So here, you can use these jatis. I can give an example. Starting from here, dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Or you can do that, dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Here, I am doing the 4-step chakkar and 2-step chakkar. Okay, you can use various jati and steps here using the hastats. These patterns. Baddha Pheri. Baddha Pheri is the opposite of Mukt Pheri. Let me explain to you. The body spins anti-clockwise as the hand remains either in Utpatti position or as held together at the calf. So, you can do it in this way. The first one is 1, 2 or dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Usually, it's used in 1-step chakkar. So, I'm showing you a demo in 1-step chakkar like the, the. Or you can do this the, the, the. Now, the last one. Pavanpheri. As the body starts to spin anti-clockwise, the right hand open in front and it's pulled back simultaneously as the left hand goes upward, the wrist rotating above the head like Urdhvasta chakra before coming down to the completion of the spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can use various jati, dig, dha, dig, dig, ta, the, tat in it. Or you can use even 2-step tat, the, whatever you want. I am giving you an example. Dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Ta, the, tat, a, the, tat. Ta, the, a, the, ta, the, a, the. If you have any query or doubts in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe and keep learning. Happy dancing!